Ignore the loud fireworks sounds. I don't know, they might still be going. I don't know, they might be done, but it's a little hard to see the lightning now. A lot of it's in this area. Like behind those trees. Yeah, the fireworks show is definitely not done. Oh, hope you saw that. Well, you enjoy the storm. Yeah, it had, I think, like 5 s'mores. So I think I'm all good on s'mores. I think usually I only have like 2 or 3. You know. As soon as I really started liking s'mores, I just need a whole bunch. I need a whole bunch of those, man. You might be able to see that thunderhead right there. The cumulonimbus cloud. It's a little hard to see. But there it is. It's actually hard to see in person, but it's pretty easy to see on video. I'm not seeing any more light. Oh, never mind. Man, as soon as I think it's done, I see lightning. It's a pretty nice lightning storm. If I say the lightning's done, then will there be a lightning strike? Alright, let's find out. Let's see if a demon hears me or something. The lightning's done. It's gone. I'll give it 20 seconds. The lightning's gone. It actually works. Okay, the lightning's done. Whoa. Oh, nice. Man, these bugs are terrible. I mean, the light from it is like the flash is pretty widespread. Like the flash you can see from a pretty good distance. But the storm itself is pretty far away. My gosh, you bugs are pissing me off. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back to the house, to my grandparents' house. It's pretty hot out here. Temperature is dropping though. It's probably in the 70s now, but the humidity though is a nightmare. Oh, that was a pretty bright one. That might have been hard to see on video because there's a lot of lights. Like because of this street light here. But yeah. Oh. Wow. Pretty nice view up here. Actually think it's better up here. Oh, by the way, there's a slight risk of severe weather. Forgot to tell you that. Even though no storms actually hit us. Alright, well, looks like there still is some wildfire smoke. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, I think I went too far. See if I can get some lightning strike on video. I guess it's done. I guess the lightning's done. There's no more lightning. Storm died. Nope. Alright, let's go. I'm going back to the house. However, the sky is pretty clear around this area, but the lightning, though, it's heat lightning. So you can't really hear the thunder. And you probably can't hear it at all. But you can see the clouds, though. I mean, it's hard to see them in person. Like, you see how the darker part is the blue sky. You see how that's, like, the thunderhead-looking cloud? That's the storm. I should say cumulonimbus cloud. Seen a couple of lightning, like, zaps or zigzag. There's also lightning bugs. Man, this is so nice. Fireflies and lightning. Man, I love it. Hope I get a good view of the siren going off too. That would be really nice. But I don't have hearing protection, and I do have a tripod, but I didn't bring it. I don't have ear protectors, so if I get hearing loss, then I'm sorry, but I might not be able to hear what's going on. Alright, I think I got enough lighting on video. It's already been like 6 minutes since I've been recording. So I'm gonna go head back to the house. I think I'll still record for now. But I just gotta figure out like where to go. Make sure we're going down the right road. Alright guys, we're going down the right road. Oh, hold on, stop for a sec. Look at the moon. Here, let me see if I can get a better view of it. There's the moon. Here, I actually think I can get a better view of it now. Still lightning behind us? Yeah, I think so. The storms are moving east. I don't know. That one... Did I just step in poop? Hope not. That one might be severe warned. Here, let me check my shoes. Shoes are good. I think if I did not step in poop, I would have been pissed. But I'm gonna go back down to the house. The fireworks are pretty disturbing, to be honest. There was just a little bit of lightning over there. Okay, guys, I actually don't know a lot about the severe weather that occurs in Maryland. And I apologize about my scratchy voice again. It happens to me a lot. I get allergies all the time. Like, even in the winter. Actually, no, it depends if there's pollen. I think I'm allergic to pollen. This wildfire smoke is also not good either. Okay guys, well we're back at the house. So I'm gonna go inside. I'll go look to see if the storm north of us is severe warned. But maybe I'll stay out here a little longer. Is that a frog? Or a toad? Yeah, look at that. Okay, let me shine my flash. It's camouflage. Hey, what are you doing, little toad? There it is. You see it? Yeah. My God, dude, what music are they playing? The hell is going on there? Is that thunder? What the hell are they doing at that house? Just blasting music. It's really annoying me. Hey, Mr. Toad, are you okay? Little thing. Thing is looking at me. Alright, Mr. Toad. Oh! He just looked at me. He's looking right at me. Ribbit, ribbit. Alright, Mr. Toad, I'll see you maybe again someday. But for now, I'm gonna go inside. Actually, no. Should I stay out here and record the lightning storm, or should I go inside? I'm gonna see if I can get a little more lightning on video. Let me turn off my flash. Oh, well, is that a raindrop? Well, I guess it's starting to rain. Yeah, unfortunately, guys, it started raining. Or is that just bugs? It might be raining a little bit. Can you see lightning? I can't see it anymore. Just wait. My gosh, what are those idiots doing? Go back inside. Stop making noise pollution, jackass. Are you blasting inappropriate music? Music with curse words. Oh, some lightning. And just blasting loud fireworks at, what time is it? It's almost 10 p.m. 9:47. I'm assuming that some people are in bed. You're just disturbing the peace. Is that what it's like here in Maryland? I don't know, man. Some people are just annoying. But I apologize if I'm overreacting. But I'm gonna go inside now. I can't be out here for too long, because I might be getting chewed up by mosquitoes. But yeah, I'll see y'all inside. I'll see you when I see you. So have a great day, and I'll see you later.